English and French makeup version. If you laugh, if you laugh. Anyways, I'm not speaking the whole French. So we're starting off with foundation. Nous allons commencer par la fond de teint. I'm using Maybelline Superstay foundation. Spread it out with a brush. Then before I go into blend it, that is how I always start. I like to spread it with a brush because it gives me that full coverage. You can also go in with a damp beauty blender to dab in your foundation. It gives a nice and smooth look also. So yeah, brush, beauty blender, powder puff for under eyes works good. Okay, next we're going in with concealer. Après, je vais mettre color corrector and I apply it this way to prevent creasing. This shape, I don't put it all over the under eye. I put and skip that highest point of fine lines. And then I go ahead to brighten. Go ahead and blend the chin area. Tap it in and also blend on the forehead. Just dab, 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 like I'm not dragging the product. I also blend in under the eyes, which is the most important point. I want to make sure that I have zero creasing there. And then I also dab on my nose. And then I go in with the powder puff, with this powder puff. This I always use to give my under eyes and other highlighted areas a smooth or even blend. Just dab it with one more time. And now we're going to use some blush. Maintenant, on va mettre le rouge. And we also dab it in with a brush. Look at the warmth that blush is bringing back to the skin. It's quite warm and yeah, I love it. I don't know if you love going in with orange blush or pink or red. It's up to you, but always that warmth always add a lot to your makeup. And then now we're going in with some bronzer powder, 2 shades darker than my skin. Et je vais faire le contour avec cette poudre. This is just to give my skin that like structure. It helps blend my hairline with my face and make the whole thing look like a person. So just blend it into the hairline and also contour the nose. I like to contour this my small nose, and my nose contour, guys, always show. It's always very, very visible. I dab it in and soften those harsh lines, and I'll go in with this loose powder. Et je vais fixer avec cette poudre libre, and I'm going to allow it to sit a little bit before I dust it off so that it can actually blur out the fine lines under my eyes and give that baby looking face. And I'm going in with this blush. I got it from a drugstore. It's Smooch, to just give my face that warmth. Look at it. I love this blush so much. And guys, I set my whole face with my powder, like this type any other person can do it. Just set my face with powder, and then I will come back here under my eyes to just dust off that excess powder. And when you want to use the brush to dust off the excess powder under your eyes, let it have powder on it also, so that it doesn't pick more than you want. And I line my waterline, smooth it out with a bit of that color that I had above. I add some mascara, just like that. I think it's still a mascara, okay? Just like that, guys. And now we're going to like add some highlighter, just like that. And then I line my lips. I like this brown liner. It always gives my lips that nice and soft look that I like. And then what? I will go in with this cute lipstick color. Where's the lipstick? Where is it? This one. Yeah. I'm going in with this lipstick. Apply there. It's not red. This color is but this is my best color. I love it. And I'll go in with this lip gloss from Essence, just to shine it up. And there we go. I hope you love the tutorial. And for my French people, see you in my next video.